Hello, and welcome to the funeral program site. We understand that during a time of loss, even the smallest details carry deep meaning when honoring someone you love. In this video, we'll take a look at how to choose the right verse or poem for a funeral prayer card. A funeral prayer card is one of the oldest and most meaningful handouts given at services, a tradition that has brought comfort to families for generations. Long before digital tributes, prayer cards were shared as a way to offer faith, remembrance, and hope. Today, they remain a timeless keepsake that family and friends often hold on to for many years. One of the most important decisions when creating a prayer card is choosing the verse, quote, or poem printed on the back. These words often become the message people return to again and again, so they should feel intentional, comforting, and true to the person being remembered. Because of the limited space on a prayer card, shorter verses, quotes, or poems are usually best. A few carefully chosen lines allow the message to remain clear and readable without feeling crowded. Often, just 2 to 4 meaningful lines can say everything that needs to be said. Some families choose a familiar scripture that reflects their loved one's faith. Others select a short poem that expresses love, peace, or remembrance in a more personal way. Poems can be especially meaningful when they reflect the personality of the individual, whether gentle, hopeful, or reflective. When deciding, consider the tone you want to leave with those who receive the card. Reading the words out loud can help you decide if they feel right. If the message brings comfort and sounds like something your loved one would have appreciated, it's often the right choice. At the funeral program site, our funeral prayer card templates make this process simple. Whether you choose a scripture, a poem, or a heartfelt quote, our easy-to-use editor allows you to personalize your card in minutes. No design experience required. Thank you for spending this time with us. We invite you to visit funeralprogramsite.com to explore our full collection and create a meaningful tribute, one that continues a tradition of remembrance and offers comfort through thoughtfully chosen words. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more thoughtful memorial guidance.